Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I am at Seacombe waterfront, just there behind me. So what's going on is there's a popular content creator called Scott Lowe, and he's organised a bonfire and firework display. I've just been up there. It's rammed, it's chocker up there. He's been putting this all over social media for weeks. And fair play to him. It's something in the area that the area probably needs. But because he's so popular, I think it's got it a little bit too busy. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. So I've just been up there, and you can't really get through up there. It's like a little roads leading in and out. Cars are getting stuck up there. But there's a big bonfire on. There's like a disco and that on. And loads of people are there watching it. So yeah. As I think all the bonfires in the area, they're all going to be chocolate. The north end, theirs is on already. They've got a very big one on. Their fireworks started ages ago. And I was going to do theirs, but I thought, you know what, I've done theirs last year, let's do this one this year. Simple reason, I've got this backdrop. You know, I've got the waterfront as a backdrop. And if you see, just the orange glow there, that's where the fire is behind them trees and houses. So, yeah. That's why I've picked here, because it might be cinematic, I don't know. I don't know till I'm up in the air. But the amount of people there, loads. Because there's an ice cream man called Mr. Shuey. He's on TikTok, he's down there. So I spoke to people in the queue, they've been in the queue for his ice cream for an hour. So yeah, when the fireworks start, I'll get the drone up and record what I can. Okay, see you in a minute.
As
Right, fireworks are still going off. I might have to shout because they're very loud. Yeah, you know what, you've done well. Busy down there, but I can see with the drone, it's all well cordoned off. Yeah, Scott can give himself a pat on the back for this one, I think. It's a bit busy down there, but it's a tight area, so it's expected. But you see the fireworks behind me, still going off. Yeah, they've been going off for about 15, 20 minutes now. So they're doing well. It's just the perfect setting for the fireworks. You know. We got that back. Come round. Fireworks. So I'm going to leave this here. Scott, well done. Did you get to see the video? You've done well. Give yourself a pat on the back for this. It can be easy to organise. Please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe. A lot of people saying that they've been unsubscribed to the channel. I think YouTube do that. Don't know why, but just check your subscribes, and if you want to know when my videos are out, hit the notification bell. First time I've ever said that. Right, thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Bye now.